Okay, so this is an AI video that was generated by the VO model directly in the Canva platform. Now, this feature is somewhat hidden, which is very unfortunate, but let me show you how you can access this video generation feature in the Canva platform. So first, let's open canva.com and you can log in with your own Canva account. And after that, you can open your profile. Let's navigate to settings. And then here under your profile, you want to make sure that the language on your Canva account is English. If it is not English, then select English, because as far as I know from some articles that I have been reading, this feature is apparently not available if you select a different language. So again, make sure that it is English. Now, after that, let's go back to the home page. And this feature is available also if you are subscribed to the pro version of Canva. Otherwise, again, it is not going to be available. Now, let's navigate to Canva AI. And you can click video clip. And there you go. So this is the interface that lets you generate an AI video using the VO 3 model from Google. There could be VO 3.1, 3.5, etc. in the future, but basically this is where you can use that model in the Canva platform. Now, let me just use my prompt. And you can also just upload an image to be referenced and turn into a video. So down here, there are plenty of settings that makes prompting to be less demanding. You can select the style. Let's say I want to use cinematic, and then you can select aspect ratio. Right now, there is only horizontal, but soon there will be the vertical aspect ratio. Now down here, this is a feature that I think is very useful, because right now in Gemini and Google Flow, we cannot choose if we want to make a video with audio or a video that is mute. So it's nice that we have this option in Canva AI. Now, basically, you can select the framing, or basically the angle of the video, and also the lighting of the video. Now, after that, you can click this button and just wait for about 1 or maybe 2 minutes for the Canva AI to send the prompt to VO 3, and then after that it will start generating the video and you can see the result right away. Anyway, I'll just skip forward and I'll show you the final result later. Alright, so this is the result and you can open it. So let me just play the video first before we continue to the other things that we can discuss in this video. Okay, yeah, I think that's quite decent. Now, if you want to download this, you can click this download button. You can also use it in the Canva editor. And by the way, this video is not immediately saved into the folder in your Canva account. Like if you navigate to the video section in the upload menu, you won't see that video. So you kind of have to download it manually and then upload that back into Canva editor. Now down here, it is apparently, it's seemingly like you can edit the video after it has been created, but it's not the same as in Gemini or in Google Flow, because what's going to happen is it is going to change the video. It will recreate the video. Like for example, let's say you want to change the smartphone into, for example, a laptop. What's going to happen is it's going to create a brand new video. So the dolphins are going to be different. The scene is going to be a bit different. So it is not the same video anymore, even though you just want to edit one thing from that video. So that's one thing that you need to know, and I think that's very important given that you only have access to 5 video generations per month. So that's not a lot, but at least it's nice that we have this VO model in the Canva platform, and I think Canva actually has plenty of AI tools, and in general I would say this is one of the best tools if you want to create some visual content for your personal or business project. So yeah, that's basically how you can enable the VO 3 image video generation in this platform. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.